Hi all, how are you doing? Hope you're doing great wherever you are in the world. So there's Sam Baker, who's a research and analysis from River Finance Company. He's put together this little chart here that says the Bitcoin ETF exposure for top 25 hedge funds, okay? And about 50% of them have basically got Bitcoin. You can see the various amounts from like a very tiny amount to 27,000, okay? So 50% of these hedge funds, the top 25 in the US, have own Bitcoin. Okay. Now, what will tend to happen is these companies will look at what other companies are doing and often copy them. So, in my opinion, there's a sort of greater chance that these hedge funds and companies like this will obtain Bitcoin. So the price now where Bitcoin is at is what is it, 67,000 or something like that. I believe that the likelihood is it's only going to go up. Now we've also got the other thing in general, that is okay, up in general, okay. Um, the other thing is we're in May at the moment, coming to halfway through May. You've also got this phrase, sell in May and go away, which is like an old stock saying where you'd go away because like you got the holiday season and that kind of thing, and stocks generally do bad from sort of May to October. So as we progress through these months from May onwards, I think we're more likely to get people buying, okay, as we get closer to October, I guess. But I think people are also going to be thinking, well, Bitcoin's going up. I don't want to buy in October because the likelihood is Bitcoin will be at a higher price. Having said that, there's also this phenomenon where as the price gets higher, people see it as more a good thing to buy. Okay, they don't like buying things that when Bitcoin was 17,000, nobody wanted to buy it. But when it went to 70,000, everybody wants to buy it. So you've got that phenomenon when the price goes up, uh, you know, people want to buy it. Okay, it's all very strange. But these kind of hedge funds, they're less likely once they bought it to sell it. Okay. And obviously, as you know, there's only 21,000 Bitcoin, 21 million Bitcoins, not 21,000. There's only 21 million Bitcoins. And there's probably, I don't know, several million, 3 million probably that have been lost. There's probably realistically 18 million top. Okay. Now, the other thing is once Bitcoin price goes up, tends to push all the altcoins up higher. Okay. So what tends to happen, Bitcoin, if it comes down in price, doesn't drop as much where the altcoins drop more, and vice versa. When Bitcoin goes up, say 2%, altcoins can potentially go up 10% and 20% and things like that. So I believe, I'm not a financial advisor, of course, but this is potentially the start of the parabolic gains and that kind of thing. So up to you, but I don't think I'll be selling anymore. In the past, I've been sort of buying and selling and stuff. I think it's too risky now to sell stuff and hope to buy it back at a lower price, okay? Because there's a chance um, that it could just go up like 20% and then you end up having to buy it back at a higher rate, okay? So yeah, I don't think I'll be doing that kind of strategy, which I have been doing a little bit recently. I think I'm going to lay off that and just try to stack as much as possible, really, if that's possible. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for listening. Hope you have a good rest of your day.